Hello everyone, today in this video we will learn about doing words. So doing words are the words that talks about action, right? Or if a word talks about an action that is happening in a sentence, that word is called doing word. किसी भी वर्ड से अगर हमें किसी एक्शन के होने का पता लगता है तो वो वर्ड क्या है? डूइंग वर्ड है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, throw, take, rub, work, right? So these are the examples of some doing words. Here is a conversation, and in this and in these dialogues there are a few blanks that we have to fill with the help of this rectangular hint box. Okay, so this girl is asking to GT. It is a GT. GT, what's wrong? So this character is replying here, let me help you. People should not dash gum on the streets. He is saying चलो मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प करता हूँ. लोगों को डैश च्युइंग गम स्ट्रीट्स पर नहीं करनी चाहिए. तो क्या नहीं करनी चाहिए स्ट्रीट्स पर? च्युइंग गम फेंकनी नहीं चाहिए, राइट? थ्रो नहीं करनी चाहिए. सो व्हाट विल कम हियर? शुड नॉट थ्रो गम ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स. Then the second dialogue, I was walking and now there is chewing gum on my foot. I am trying to dash it off. So what he must be trying? He must be trying to take it off. है ना? Chewing gum को हटाने की कोशिश कर रहा होगा. So it will come, take it off. I know. Okay, so you should try to rub it off. So this character is suggesting to GT that you should try to rub it off to remove the chewing gum from your shoes. So here it will come, rub. I know, but it does not work. मुझे पता है लेकिन ये काम नहीं कर रहा. मतलब you already must have tried rubbing it off, but that also was not working. So here it will come, work. Thank you post. Yes, people should keep the streets clean. It is thanking post and suggesting that people should keep the streets clean. So that is only why there are dustbin on the roads kept, so that we should not throw garbage or wrappers or chewing gums or fruits peel or etc. kind of things on road. We should always throw them in the bin box, garbage box. Okay, now so we already know doing words. The words that has come in these blanks are examples of doing words, as these words are showing that something is being done or the action is happening. Okay, now let's look at these pictures. Okay, so this girl is playing with basket. The girl is using her foot to kick the ball. So here, which word is showing us that the action is happening? The girl is using her foot to kick the ball. So kick is a doing word here. क्योंकि इस word से पता लग रहा है that girl is kicking this ball. What she is doing with the ball? She is kicking the ball. So kick is a doing word here. The boy is using his hands to brush his teeth. So this brush is a doing word here. क्योंकि इससे पता लग रहा है कि क्या काम हो रहा है इस सेंटेंस में. brush हो रहा है. The boy is brushing his teeth. So brush is a doing word here. So that's how we have to do this exercise. There are the pictures, and in these pictures some actions are being done, and there's this hint box given. We have to see the actions from here and have to write down in these blanks suitably. So for example, look at this boy. What he is doing? He is jumping. The picture is showing that he is jumping. So we will write down jump here. Then this girl, so she is moving from this side to that side of the wall. So what is this action? Climb. So we'll write down climb here. So that's how we have to do the whole exercise. Do it yourself. Here are also some pictures. Okay, now in the next exercise, read the following paragraph and circle the doing words. So we have to read this paragraph and we have to circle these words. So I have underlined, you have please circle them. Like Seema and Rohit walk to school. So here walk is a doing word. On the way they see a little kitten. So see is a doing word here. So that's how you have to do this paragraph and also this one. So that is it. The chapter is over now. Okay, so do it yourself and tally from my answers. Thank you.